Sneezing too hard can cause rib fractures. Sneezing too hard, the risks of injury and rib fractures. Sneezing is a natural bodily function designed to clear the nasal passages of irritants like dust or pollen. For most, it is a benign act that happens multiple times a day without a second thought. However, recent discussions among healthcare professionals have brought light to the fact that sneezing too hard can lead to unexpected injuries, including rib fractures. This phenomenon, while rare, is serious enough to warrant attention, especially for those who experience frequent or intense sneezing.